Hello, my name is Afua, and I have with me Anita, who is a participant here at Hendon Harbour Adult Daycare. And we are going to do some strength training exercise, especially with our lower extremities, because we know that with our muscles, if we don't use them, we lose them. And as we age, we lose a lot of muscle strength. So we are going to show you a little bit of what we do here at Herndon with our strength training exercises concerning strengthening our muscles. Okay, Anita, are you with me?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, so hold your band, put it a little bit lower to your knee. We're going to open our legs and close them. That way, we strengthen the inner muscle this side and the outer muscle, okay? Let's go. 1 and back. Nice and easy. 2 and back. 3, back. 4, 9, back. And 10. Now relax. Okay, how was it? Was it good?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we put in our band, our TheraBand on our knees and pass it under your knees and hold it to the side. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Okay, so what we are going to do with our left leg, you lift it up to the side and down. Okay? Let's go. 1 side and down. Lift it up to the side and down. Lift it up to the side and down. Up 4 to the side and down. 10 up to the side and down. You're going to take a deep breath here. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out through your mouth. Breathe in and out. Okay. Same position, Anita. Now we're going to lift our leg up and kick, straighten up and back. Okay? 1, kick and back. 2, kick and back. 3, kick, 9 and up. Back. No, almost there. Kick and down. 10 up, kick and down. Okay, take a deep breath and out. So like we're having a swing. Okay, swing your feet up. 1, nice and easy, and back. Swing it up. 2 and back. Swing it up. 3 and back. Swing it up. 4 up and back. 1 and down. 2, 3 down. 9 and down. 10. Relax. Now hold it. We're going to flex our toes and relax, flex and bend, okay? So just your toes. Flex, bend. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 9, and 10. Relax. Thank you so much. This brings us to the end of our little demonstration of what we do at Herndon with our TheraBand strength training exercise. Thanks.